digital transformation to be about the people and something that's going to enable our company to go to the next level. So for us, digital actually isn't just about the technology side. It's about how we can engage and empower our people to be able to make the right decisions so that we can go forward to become the ETEX that we want to be. How did we realize the change? Well, our transformation is ongoing, and like all transformations, it's always a fun journey. But the key thing is that we've put in place certain processes that sort of make life a bit easier for people. So we've shared a strategy that's believable by all employees in the organization. So that was absolutely critical for us. And then once you have that strategy, once you have that direction where you're going, the next challenge is, how do you make it happen? How do you engage the teams? How do you work to make the future become realizable? And for us, it's about empowerment and switching to more agile ways of working, but not being a slave to the church of agile. What I'd advise is actually, it's fairly simple, is don't get lost in the technology. Don't get lost in the dreams. Actually think about your company, where you want to go, and think about the cultural change in the people and how you make it happen. It's too easy to get lost in AI and robots and digital twins. In actual fact, it's got to be about you and your journey.